To earn money on Instagram, you can explore several avenues. 1. Build a strong profile. Develop a niche and create high-quality, engaging content to attract followers. 2. Grow your following. Increase your follower count through consistent posting, engagement with your audience, and collaboration with other users. 3. Use Instagram features. Leverage Instagram features like IGTV, Reels, and Stories to diversify your content and reach a broader audience. 4. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. 5. Sell products or services. If you have your products or services, use Instagram to showcase and sell them. 6. Instagram Shop. Utilize Instagram shopping features to sell products directly from your profile.